This is the Friday, October 17th, 2025 weather update. Alright, today I have a lot to talk about. First of all, I'm going to point out this marginal risk. This is for today, and the main threat is damaging winds and large hail. Missouri, and also Kansas and Oklahoma, so just I would be weather aware, but there's not much of a tornado threat. That changes if we go to the day 2 outlook. It gets a lot worse, and we have a really big slight risk, and that has a tornado threat. We have a large hail threat too for our area, but Arkansas, that is right now what's looking the worst. Arkansas and a portion of Missouri up here. Here is the tornado threat. A 5% probability of seeing a tornado within 25 miles of any given point. And look at that. Our area is barely in the tornado threat for tomorrow. This area is right now. I'm pretty sure we're going to get upgraded to a 10% chance of tornadoes in this area. And that is pretty much all I have to say on this, but it's going to be a big day tomorrow, and our area is going to be dangerous because it's going to be in the middle of the night that we have this threat. We also have flooding problems to deal with in Missouri, Illinois, and a small portion of Arkansas and Oklahoma. This area could see some flooding at times, so just be weather aware, not just for tornadoes and stuff. Flooding is also something you need to be weather aware. So don't let the severe weather rule out the flooding for tomorrow. And on Sunday, we also have severe weather to talk about. This is a severe weather outlook for Sunday. I was talking about this in my last video, and it's moving a little bit farther northeast, but here is the marginal risk. I'm pretty sure we're going to have some tornado threat with this, and also a damaging wind and a large hail threat with this, so just watch out for that. We are still in a moderate drought. This area is going to likely be out of a drought. Our area, we could still see somewhat of a drought after these storms, so we're going to see much needed rain here, but it might not be enough to get rid of our drought. But there's a good chance it will. One more thing I want to show you before I close is I'm going to show you what the radar could look like. This is the HRRR model. You can just see this is on the 17th, and then this is when our severe weather starts on the 18th in the morning at around 9 a.m. You can see these cells here. This is capable of producing a tornado here. So these cells are what we're watching out for, like this. And if we go forward, you can just see, then it starts to weaken before it gets to our area. And by the time it gets to our area, everything's just not really that organized. And that's good news. Over here, things do look a little bit more strong. You can see these cells, and I don't get why they don't have a slight risk over here, but I think that there's a good chance that we could see some severe weather over here in Louisiana, and then just along here. And that is all the weather talk I have for you today. Please subscribe to my channel and turn notifications on, that way you don't miss out on any new videos. I hope to see you on Tuesday, because on Tuesday I'm probably going to talk more about the severe weather threat later this month, so don't miss out on that, and goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.